Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these super easy beach waves using a flat iron. So what I start off with is that I use a paddle brush just to brush through. And now that I brushed through my hair, I use the wave spray and I just shake it up. And then I spray it whilst I do this butterfly trick. So you hold up your hair and then you just release a little bit at a time as you spray. Now that this is all in my hair, I section every part. So I like to section just above my ears. Now I pull all my hair in the front and just brush through it quickly just to distribute the product in your hair and also make sure that there isn't any tangles. So what I do now is that I section my lowest section. I go in with a flat iron. I recommend you to use a straightener that is a little bit curved, like you can see here. This one is curved on each side because if it's straight then you don't get that smooth wave. So what you want to do now is just put it in and just go. So start with the part that's nearest the back. So now that I have my section, I go in with a flat iron and go alternate between front and back. And then to get that effortless wave, you want the ends to be straight. So now this one's done. I just put that in the back to cool. And then I go in with the next section. And then I do exactly the same on the other side. So go out, in, out, and then straight at the ends. Now they're just cooling in the back, so now we do the next section. And what I like to do now is to make sure that I don't mix this hair with the hair that's at the bottom. So I section these two halves and put them in the front. So now I section this part again and I just leave this side be. Then I like to make sure that this is all smooth. So section these parts and then do the exact same. So upwards, downwards, upward, downwards, upwards, downwards, upwards, and then straight at the end. And then the same with this one. And now I'm coming to the sections that's around my face, so I don't want to do them. I leave them because I want to use a different technique on the ones that's closest to my face. But I'll do this one, it's the top ones that I'll do differently. the waves coming. So now that I have my top section, I want to do this section slightly different to the other ones. So I leave the front part of my hair, put this in a little, I'll just leave it on the other side. Like that. This is such 80s hairstyle. Holy macaroni. I leave my front section, and what I want to do now is that I want to pull this in like a little snake shape, like I push my hair into my face, and then I just clap 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 with my straightener, and then when I have it here I push the other side, and then I push this side. I want my ends to be straight, like that. So now we get a different kind of wave. And if you have short hair or like a bob, the hair in your neck is really short, so this technique is perfect for that, because you can't really go up and down at the hair in the back if your hair is short. So now I got my easy beach waves, and now I just let them cool and then do my other side. And now that I've done all my hair, I want to do the front part with pushing it in again. So now that my hair has almost cooled down, I go in with the Ouai dry texture foam. And I shake this, and then a little bit like this. So I just rub this between my fingers, and then I'll distribute a little bit all over first to get that extra texture and like piecey look. So now that it's all dry, I go in again with the Ouai matte pomade, and I use a tiny bit. You don't need much for this. Like, that is enough. I cut my finger opening a package, so I have a plaster on my finger. But you just rub this between your fingers, and then you want to go at the end of your hair, so just piece it at the ends. So now you can see that it's effortless. It doesn't look like you particularly did this. Looks like you've been in the ocean for 3 hours, got out, and then had beautiful beach waves. So this is how I make super easy beach waves using a flat iron. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe because it really supports my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and bye! Bye!